How to download stories for offline use in Beelinguapp. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are using Beelinguapp and want to listen to stories even without internet, then you can simply download the stories. First of all, launch open Beelinguapp application on your mobile device, and once you're inside the home page after logging in, go ahead and search for your favorite story. I'm just gonna open up one of my story from the library section. After selecting the story from this page, you'll see a read and download button. Look for download and tap on it. Now, your story will be downloaded for offline use. You can find your downloaded stories in the profile section. Remember, some of the stories may require premium access to download. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. The download will complete in a few seconds or minutes depending on size. If you have a premium subscription, you'll be able to download more stories. So that's how you easily do it. To find your downloaded story, go to your home page and look for the profile icon at the bottom. After you're inside profile, select download and you'll be able to see your downloaded story. Now you can enjoy your favorite story anytime, anywhere, no internet needed. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.